Understanding, add a gift tag. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that you might come across while shopping online or preparing gifts. Add a gift tag. This phrase is simple yet essential, especially during festive seasons or when giving presents. Let's dive into what it means and how to use it correctly. A gift tag is a small piece of paper or card attached to a gift, usually with a string or ribbon. When someone says, "Add a gift tag," they mean to attach a tag to the gift. This tag typically includes a few key details. 2. The name of the person receiving the gift. From, the name of the person giving the gift. Sometimes, a short message or greeting. Gift tags are used in various scenarios. During holidays like Christmas or birthdays. When giving corporate gifts. In personal gifting among friends and family. Online shopping. Some e-commerce platforms offer the option to add a gift tag when sending a gift directly to the recipient. If you're feeling creative, you can make your own gift tags. Here's a simple guide. 1. Choose your material. Use cardstock, colored paper, or even recycled materials. 2. Cut it into a shape. Common shapes are rectangles, hearts, or circles. 3. Write your message. Remember to include to and from. 4. Decorate. Use stickers, drawings, or stamps to personalize it. 5. Attach it to the gift. Use a ribbon or tape. In different cultures, gift tags can have unique meanings or traditions. For instance, in Japan, the presentation of the gift, including the tag, is as important as the gift itself. In Western cultures, gift tags are often used to add a personal touch to gifts. Gift tags are a small but significant part of gift-giving traditions around the world. They add a personal touch and ensure the gift reaches the right person. We hope this video helps you understand the phrase, "add a gift tag," and inspires you to use them in your future gifting endeavors. Happy gifting and see you in our next video.